What's up, YouTube? Hope everybody's having a good weekend. It's Saturday. I had a job assessment for a new job today. That went really good. Should know in a few days. See how that goes. But today we're going to do a little restoration. If you could, click subscribe real quick. And I'd like to thank everybody that is already subscribed or is clicking it now. Anyways, let's get to it. So we have a pair of West German, it says West Germany drop forged, and these are side cutters. It's like a little pair of dikes. They're pretty rusty and crusty. Hopefully this isn't too bad. We're gonna take and soak it in some WD-40 rust remover soak. You can use vinegar and wire brush. You can go straight to the wire wheel with it, but I've had pretty good luck with this. So we're gonna soak it in there for a few hours, see how it goes. So let's get to it. Don't mind my messy workbench. I haven't been in the garage very much lately. As you can see, the bug is still the bug. I haven't done any tools without you, so don't worry. So we're just gonna drop these in a partially clean pan. And we'll throw this stuff. This stuff is reusable, so I've had it for a while. It's probably pretty dark now. One of my subscribers said if you filter it through a coffee filter, it'll last longer. So I appreciate the tip. So we're just gonna submerge it, let it soak for, I think it's a couple hours. Medium rust, 8 hours, so we might have to get back to this tomorrow. I'll check on them in a little bit and see how they look. Okay, we'll bring you back. What's up, ladies, fellas? It's been a day since we put this in this rust remover soak. So let's take it out and see what it looks like. I think I need to buy some new stuff. This stuff's pretty old. I've had it for probably like a year. Seems to work better. It didn't work as good as I was hoping, but it did work. I'm sure if I left it in there longer, it would work better. But we're going to take it over to the wire wheel. We'll clean it up with the wire wheel, and then we'll look at it and go from there. undone. We're gonna lube them up. They feel really tight. The jaws are pretty parallel. There's a little gap, but I don't think it's gonna be much of anything. I think these are anvil type. I don't see any markings besides drop forged West Germany. That's the only markings I see. And the embellishments, these came out super nice. You can see pretty much a mirror finish. There's a little tiny bit of pitting, but I didn't want to take it below where this is hammered down and loosen it up at all. But you can see the finish right there. It's beautiful. So we're just going to take some gun oil. I'm just using Rem oil. It's a cleaner and a lubricant. You can use like a 3-in-1 oil, or pretty much Scoutcrafter has a bunch that he uses that he made himself. You might check him out. See how easy that is now? You can see stuff like still coming out. You just spray it in there, keep going back and forth, it'll work its way out. If you can preserve a firearm with that stuff, it's got to be good for tools. Oh, look at that. It's just getting better and better. Then we'll probably wax these and put them in service. These are going to be inside the garage, so I'll probably hang them on the tool wall actually. And then if I need them, I know where they're at. I do have a bunch of side cutters, but these ones are really small, which make them come in handy. You just keep working back and forth, that'll come out of there. Call that good for now. Thanks for watching. Truly appreciated. If you could, click down, subscribe. And all my subscribers, man, you guys are amazing. We're almost to 1,000. And that is super sweet. At 1,000, you can actually get monetized. Not like it's, you know, a life-changing money. I think it's, you know, a few dollars per 1,000 views. But once you get there, you know, you can steadily work up. And, you know, our 1,000 subscribers will turn into 10,000, 20,000. You never know where it can go. So thanks for hanging out. Thanks for sticking with me. Truly, truly appreciated. So we'll get some close-ups of these, and then I'll see you guys on the next one. And girls, can't forget the ladies.